One of the most common questions that I get when I discuss about starting a YouTube channel in Kenya and turning it into an income generating online business in Kenya is whether YouTube pays content creators in Kenya. And if you are interested in starting a YouTube channel in Kenya, or if you are considering this, then it is good for you to know that the simple answer to that question is that yes, YouTube does pay content creators in Kenya. There are quite a number of ways on how you can be able to make money on YouTube in Kenya, and in this video I'm going to look at the specific ways on how YouTube pays in Kenya. In particular, I am going to share with you some of the things that I have learned, or the monetization ideas that are actually inbuilt in the YouTube ecosystem. YouTube is a business, and you need to be able to understand how YouTube works so that then you can be able to also know how you can also make money on YouTube, or how YouTube pays content creators in Kenya. Because it is not a charity organization, they are actually doing activities for profit. And for you to be able to make money on YouTube, you need to align your YouTube channel to the goals of YouTube as a business. That way you can be on the same side and you can benefit from the many monetization ideas that YouTube provides, and you can also be able to make money as a content creator on YouTube in Kenya. In a nutshell, YouTube makes its money from actually the advertising that companies or businesses pay to run adverts on its platform. And what you'll come to realize very shortly is that one of the primary ways on how you can be able to also make money on YouTube is actually by joining the YouTube Partner Program. It's a program which basically allows you to generate or earn money by having adverts run on the videos that you are creating on your YouTube channel. But to join this particular program, you need at least to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months. At the time of recording this video, at least you can be able to see that I have not met that specific threshold in terms of subscribers, because as of today I have 291 subscribers, which means if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, this might be the best time to do that. Now, once you have been accepted to the YouTube Partner Program, you can then be able to share advert revenue with YouTube. And basically what happens is that for every dollar that a business or an advertiser pays, you get 55% of that, and YouTube keeps 45% of that. And to me, that's a relatively very fair way of compensating you when it comes to the money you can earn with adverts. This video is brought to you by Perfecting Online Business ebook. Are you ready to turn your knowledge, your skills, your expertise, and life experiences into a thriving online business? If yes, welcome to Perfecting Online Business ebook. This ebook is your comprehensive guide to starting and building an income generating online business. What you're going to get inside this particular ebook is a step-by-step guide on how you can be able to move from ideation, strategy, to building a sustainable online business. You're also going to get monetization secrets, basically learning how you can be able to monetize your expertise, your knowledge and skills, or discovering methods that can help you to generate money online from your online business. Also, you're going to get exclusive insights into how you can be able to build and have a thriving online business. For just $67, this ebook provides you with actionable steps and practical advice that can help you launch and grow your online business. So do not miss this great opportunity to actually invest in yourself. And if you are ready to start, click the link below to purchase this ebook. In addition to adverts, YouTube also pays content creators in Kenya in the following ways. The first one is the YouTube Premium revenues. And on this particular program, basically you have people who have paid subscription to YouTube so that they do not actually get adverts on their account. And in this particular case, you also get paid a portion of the money that they subscribe or the money that they pay for their subscription whenever they watch your videos. The second way is channel membership, and this is if you have met the threshold to actually become eligible to get this particular opportunity, you can actually create a membership on your YouTube channel where members or people who support you pay a monthly fee for them to be able to get maybe exclusive content, or who are just interested in supporting you as a content creator. Super chats and super stickers is another way YouTube pays content creators in Kenya. And this is very important, especially if you are one of those people who do a lot of live streams, because members or fans or viewers can actually pay super chats to have their comments highlighted. This is another direct revenue source from fan support, and it becomes very critical in terms of your overall monetization strategies on your YouTube channel in Kenya. Having a merchandising shelf is another way on how YouTube pays content creators, and on this particular monetization strategies, what you can be able to do is that you can be able to sell your merchandise directly to your viewers. And what YouTube does is that it integrates itself with the merch companies, allowing you to sell your products directly to your viewers under your videos. And you probably have seen this when you watch some of the videos, and at the bottom you are able to see some of the things that they are selling, like t-shirts, caps or mugs, among other things. YouTube Shorts is another way that you can actually be able to generate an income or get paid in Kenya as a YouTube content creator. Simply, YouTube Shorts are actually vertical videos that are less than a minute, and you can be able to earn money from those. However, this is very different from the long form videos, and you'll not get paid as much from YouTube Shorts. But if you're one of those people who are keen to create those vertical short videos, this can also be another way for you to actually monetize your content on YouTube in Kenya. However, the amount of money that you're going to make from all those different ways that YouTube pays content creators in Kenya depend on your niche, the type of audience or the market that you're targeted, and also the type of content that you produce. This is because not all content is paid equally, and not all niche topics or audience are actually valued at the same rate. You have different categories that pay differently, so you need to take that into consideration when you are starting your YouTube channel in Kenya. However, it's important to note that every niche can be able to be monetized on YouTube in Kenya. It is for this reason that I am actually very keen to persuade you to consider starting a YouTube channel in Kenya. And more importantly, to look at it as a business and actually try to figure out a way to turn it into an income generating online business in Kenya. It's because while it may take some time before you start generating substantial income, it has been proven that when you get to that level where you become a successful content creator on YouTube, you can actually replace your 9-to-5 job and even turn your YouTube channel into a full-time business that you only focus on without doing other things. While the idea that I have shared here are important when it comes to how YouTube pays content creators in Kenya, you are not limited to those ideas. There are other ways on how you can be able to make money with your YouTube channel in Kenya, and these include affiliate marketing, coaching or consulting, as well as selling your own digital products. In fact, if you can be able to sell your own stuff, create your own digital solutions or products that you sell, you might end up actually generating more money than the way that I have already explained how YouTube can pay you in Kenya. For example, you find that if you are selling your own digital ebooks, you have maybe an online course that you sell or an online coaching program that you have, that might end up generating you more money than actually even the advert money that you can make purely from the YouTube partner program. And this is a strategy that most successful YouTube content creators who see YouTube as a business actually use. You'll find that they focus more on selling their own stuff, such that the money they are generating from their adverts is just one of the many multiple income sources that they have. If you have enjoyed this video, you are going to enjoy this video on your screen right now, where I explain in details how you can be able to make money online in Kenya and the 3 systems that you need to actually make money online in Kenya. Subscribe to this channel if you have not, and I'll see you in the next one.